Hey friends, it's Kevin here again. So how do you make money here on YouTube? We all know that Google, YouTube's parent company, puts ads that you see before, after, and during YouTube videos. So that's definitely one way to make money. But as somebody who recently quit my job to try to create this full-time income here on YouTube making videos for you all, that singular strategy was not gonna cut it for me. And so I spent the better part of the last 8 months trying to figure out every possible monetization strategy as a creator here on this platform. From going to conferences, to talking with experts, to working with one of my friends to manage her channel of over 1 million subscribers, to doing my own experiments and research, here is what I've found. Here are 26 lesser known ways to be making money as a YouTuber. So let's jump into it. Number 1, we just talked about this one. This is Google AdSense. You just click a box to monetize your channel once your channel is big enough to qualify. Google does all the work for you of finding advertisers and putting their advertisements before, on top of, and after your videos. This can be some good money, but you really have to have millions of views to really be making any sort of substantial money from it. So this is why a lot of smart YouTubers only rely on Google AdSense for a very small portion of their monthly income, as they build a lot of these other income streams on top of that. All right, number 2, sponsorships. This is where you're still advertising, but you don't rely on Google to go find the advertisers for you. Instead, you connect with advertisers directly, either from you messaging them messaging you, or you find each other and connect through some sort of platform like FameBit. You end up making more money from sponsorships because number 1, you cut out the middleman, and you also are able to deliver way more value to that advertiser because you're creating a longer ad that is woven into your content and is very relevant to people. For those reasons, you end up making a lot more money than just relying on Google AdSense. Number 3, Amazon affiliates. I'm sure you've seen those Amazon product links in people's video descriptions. Those oftentimes are Amazon affiliate links. When you send somebody to Amazon to check out a certain product link and they put some items in their cart and they check out, you get a certain small percentage commission on those sales, regardless of if they bought the specific product you were recommending them. You can get up to 10% commission based on the category of the item that it was, but it typically hovers around, say, like 5%. This is a great way to get started making money on YouTube, but it does have a lot of downsides. One of the biggest ones being that it's got such a short cookie duration, which means that if you want to get commission on any sale that you make, that person has to make a purchase within 24 hours, which means that if they put something in their cart but wait more than 24 hours to finally check out, you're not getting paid. So that leads me to number 4, other affiliate programs besides Amazon. Stores like B&H Photo, Target, and a whole bunch of other online retailers also offer their own affiliate programs. And these often offer better terms like better commissions rates and a longer cookie duration, so you're able to make more money on more sales over a longer period of time. Kit.com is a common tool that a lot of YouTubers use to be able to manage all their affiliate links and have a one-stop shop for people to see the gear they use and the products they recommend. You can check out my kit in the description below. And I'll leave a link to this tool and all the other tools that I mentioned in this video so you can go check them out for yourself. And number 5 is bounty programs. This is a type of affiliate program, but instead of getting a percentage of each sale, you're getting a specific amount for every new customer that you refer. And number 6, hybrid affiliate sponsorships. Now, to sweeten the deal for influencers, a lot of sponsors also offer a hybrid affiliate sponsorship program. They pay you a nice lump sum of money for that shout out in your video, but they also give you a custom affiliate link to make commissions on sales as well. Number 7, recurring affiliates. Now we're talking. This is the holy grail of affiliate income. Recurring commissions. Instead of making one-time commissions for each sale or customer you bring to the merchant, you are now collecting a check every single month. Every single month that customer continues to pay their monthly subscription with the merchant, you get a percentage of that as recurring affiliate income. These are most common with SaaS products or software as a service because of the way the economics work out and how cheap it is to bring on another customer. And number 8, merch. This is where you sell branded merchandise to your fans. This can be stickers, mugs, t-shirts, you name it. Anything that you can slap a logo onto that people will buy. But this can be a very time-consuming and financially risky undertaking. You used to have to spend a lot of money ordering a ton of inventory, and the riskiest thing is that if you didn't get enough orders, you'd end up losing money instead of making money. But now, thanks to print-on-demand services like Printful and Merch by Amazon, you can now start to sell merch with zero upfront cost. All you do is upload the design and they'll handle all the printing, shipping, and all the boring logistic stuff for a certain price per item sold. You can also do this through marketplaces like Etsy, for example. Number 9, selling your footage. You've likely got a lot of footage that you're not using. People looking for stock footage will buy that stuff. I'll throw some sites that you can use to sell that footage in the description as well. Number 10, selling appearances in other brands' videos. Once you've built enough clout as an influencer, some brands may seek to have you lend credibility to their brand in their videos. This is like a reverse sponsorship. Instead of them paying to be in your video, they're paying for you to be in their video. Number 11. I ran out of fingers. Number 11, sell your skills. For example, making videos or managing social media for clients. Doing YouTube builds up a ton of valuable skills that businesses will actually pay you for. Hey, check this out. Yeah. Number 12, sell consulting. Offer to meet with people or hop on calls with them for you to give them custom tailored advice. Again, because of your time building your YouTube channel, you can offer a ton of insights and guidance to companies and people trying to achieve similar results. 13, speaking engagements. You may become a sought-after speaker and then get paid tens of thousands of dollars to travel the world and speak at events. This is not only a great way to travel and make money, but also to build your audience at the same time. All right, we're halfway through. We're almost there. Thanks for sticking through this. I hope this has been valuable so far. As you're watching this, please leave me a comment to let me know if there's any of these tips that you find the most helpful. Just go ahead and drop the number in the comment box below. I'm curious to hear what you all have to say. All right, back on topic. Number 14, selling info products. Once you've provided enough value to people, they'll trust you and look to you for further guidance. You can then create courses, guides, ebooks, and other products designed to offer way more value to what you're already providing through your YouTube channel. And there are some great tools that you can use to create and sell your online courses. I personally use teachable.com for a camera course that I put out, and it's pretty easy to use and helps you get set up super fast. Number 15, selling other types of digital goods. From templates to software presets, there's almost always some digital tool that you can create and sell online. Here, Sellfy is a great tool that I've seen many other YouTubers use. As someone who's bought from Sellfy before, I really like how simple and easy it is to use, and it feels like I'm buying straight from the creator rather than going through some clunky third-party website. And like I mentioned, the links are down below if you want to check this out for yourself. Then number 16, selling physical products made specifically for your audience's needs. You know your audience the best, and you have the unique opportunity to be able to make something that makes their life a whole lot better. An example of this is the Switch Pod made by Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income, or the digital calendar made by Simone Yates. Then number 17, selling specific items from the video themselves. So say you have a how-to video on how to make some piece of art, why not sell that specific thing that you made? Then number 18, super chat. When you go live on YouTube, your audience members have the chance to pay you a little bit of money to have their comments highlighted in the live chat. Number 19, streaming live on other platforms as well. While you're streaming live on YouTube, why not go live on Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, and all these other platforms as well at the same time? That way you can collect money from more sources with the same amount of work. Each platform also taps a different audience, so you're able to expand your audience as well. Number 20, Patreon. Patreon gives you a place where your fans can support you for a certain amount of money each month, and allows you to create optional patron-only content for you to say thank you in return. Number 21, Number 21, channel memberships. This is like YouTube's own version of Patreon. Viewers can support their favorite creators through YouTube for a certain amount of money each month. Number 22, paid membership groups. Once you've built up a following based on giving tons of value, people will oftentimes want to ask you questions that pertain to their own specific situations. A members only group on Facebook or on a custom built website allows people to ask you those questions, and they're more than willing to pay for that level of access. Number 23, email lists. You can build your email list by giving away free stuff in exchange for their email address. Then you can create a newsletter or other email marketing campaigns to start promoting your own products or charge people to promote theirs. 24, live tours. Hang in there, we're almost done. It's like being on tour with a band, except you're going around the world to meet and greet your fans from all over the place. You'd be surprised how many of these people really want to see you in real life. Number 25, hosting events. This is like live tours, except you're there not just to connect with your fans, but to help them to connect with each other. Hosting a conference or a meetup can really help to bring the community together. And like I found when I jumped into YouTube, finding your community of like-minded people on a similar adventure is something that's so valuable and such a gift when you can provide that to people. Some big YouTubers hold these massive conferences, but you don't need to be huge to add tons of value to your community. You can have people pay to attend or host a free event at some venue, say a restaurant, where the restaurant owner pays you in exchange for you bringing such a large crowd. And finally, number 26, this one is the cherry on top. Smart YouTubers take their earnings and invest it wisely back into their business or into things like real estate and index funds. So in that way, they're able to create yet another source of recurring passive income. Disclaimer though, I'm not a qualified professional to be giving you investment advice. It depends on your situation, so seek professional advice if you're looking to invest. So there you go, that's 26 of the lesser known ways to make money here on YouTube. I know that can be a lot, but fundamentally they all boil down to about 6 different categories. Number 1, getting paid directly by the platform itself. Number 2, creating an audience and selling products to that audience. Number 3, creating an audience and charging for access to that audience. Number 4, creating demand for yourself and charging access to you. Number 5, selling your talents that you glean from YouTube. And lastly, creating a community and offering them ways to connect with one another. And speaking of which, that last one, building community, is something that I'm super passionate about. It's my life mission to try to help make the world a less lonely place and help people to see their own inherent worth. And I'm trying to figure out how to go about doing that through making videos on the internet. And the funny thing is, ever since high school, it's really baffled me how it seems like you have to invest in either meaning and impact or money and financial health. I think it's just so absurd that it feels like an either or choice. So I've been on this quest to figure out how we can make meaning and make money at the same time, because I don't think they should be contradicting each other. And on my journey, I'm doing my best to share everything that I can and everything that I've learned with you all. If you're itching to create a meaningful career around stuff that you're passionate about, please consider subscribing. And make sure to hit that bell notification icon so you get notified when I create new videos sharing the newest insights that I've learned. And with that, welcome to the adventure, my friends. If you found any of this helpful, please leave a like. Make sure to click on one of these other videos to keep watching, and I'll see you over there in a second. And with that, be well, my friends. Peace.